Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to turn on all chat in League of Legends. In order to turn on all chat in League of Legends, firstly you need to press escape to go to the settings menu. From here, head to the interface section. From here, scroll down until you find the chat section. Here it is. On the change chat visibility section, make sure to select everyone, then press OK. Now when you chat, you can see the chat of your team, your enemy team, and also your teammates. And you can also chat with the enemy team by pressing /all and typing any message. If you have pressed /mute all in your chat to mute everybody, in order to see all chat in that case will be to select /mute all in all chat yet again. By selecting this, the enemy team or the persons you muted will no longer be muted and you can chat with everybody. So this is how you can easily turn on all chat in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.